Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back to his back at me. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. I have this 2021 Chevy Tahoe, and I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change and how to reset the oil life. All right, it's easy, so don't get crazy. All right. Before I get into the action, you know I gotta say, and I'm gonna say it again. Please support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Hit the subscribe button. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Yummy. Hit the like button. Hit the bell button. So every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Yiddy. Like this video. Share this video and the feedback. Put it in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this truck, whatever you want to call it. The other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad. You can call it ad, commercial, propaganda, advertisement, advertise. Watch the whole thing. I don't skip it. It's only 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Know what I'm saying? It's like a regular TV. Know what I'm saying? So do that. Eat. More or less. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's do this oil change. Alright. This is a big truck, so, but it's still easy. Let's get it. If you want to open the hood, you come through here. See this? Just pull it back. Come to the front. The latch is gonna be right here. You need to hold the hood. All right. So Gucci. Here's the engine oil cap. Now right here it tells you what type of oil it needs, alright? 0W20, that's full synthetic. Alright. Right here on the air filter housing, you see the sticker, you know what I'm saying? This is a 5.3 liter 2021. 5.3 2021, alright? You also see the VIN number right here. Now you come this way, here's the oil dipstick, you know what I'm saying? That's how we're gonna measure the oil. Now we come to the bottom, you can see that cover. Come around here, oil drain plug, oil filter. Alright, we're gonna hit this with a 15 millimeter socket. I think I did this video before, I don't know though. I wanna do it just to make sure I have it on file, you know what I'm saying? Be careful when you come out though. Pause. Let it just fall. What you think? It's dirty? It's clean? Put in the comment box. Let me know what you think. Alright. Alright, so once you drain most of the oil, you put the oil drain plug back, you know what I'm saying? Right there. Tight it, snug it. Now you come through next door and remove the oil filter. Just be careful though. If you've been running the truck for a minute, it's gonna be hot. So don't remove the thing at once. Just let it drain, you know what I'm saying? You don't wanna get a splash with hot oil. I have the new filter here. This is the part number. Alright. Only for this brand, okay? Parts Master. Alright. Don't get it twisted. Just be careful when you remove this filter. Alright, like I said, look, it's pouring more. Very slowly, alright. There you go, it's coming out. Hot. Grab your rag, clean this. Okay. Grab your new oil filter. You see this oil ring over here? Lube it with oil, okay? We just do this. Gucci. Now, install it. Alright, just do it by hand. Don't use any tools because you're gonna make a hole in it. You're gonna leak oil, damage your engine. Alright, so be careful. Tight it by hand really good, and that's it. Alright, so we're right here, alright? If you didn't change the oil filter, you're gonna pour 7.8 quarts, which is almost 8 quarts. But don't pour 8 quarts, okay? Because, you know, it's gonna be a little bit too much since you didn't change the oil filter. Now with a new oil filter, which I just did, it's gonna take 8 quarts of 0W20 mobile, okay? Because mobile is dead sauce, alright? So 8 quarts. Grab your funnel, you know what I'm saying? Right there. Now, like I said, mobile do dead sauce. This is Fram, which is dead sauce, full synthetic motor oil, 020. And AC Delco do dead sauce too. GM approved, Gen 2, 0W20. So between those three, you decide which one you want to use, alright? Eight quarts, alright, with new oil filter. You pour all the 8 quarts, remove the funnel, put it away, put the cap back. I'm kind of tall though, so if you short, I mean, you're gonna need a little bench like that, alright? You know what I'm saying? So I'm stretching right here. Alright, just so you know. Now all you gotta do is close the hood. Alright. I hope you like the video how to do the oil change. Alright. I gotta say it again. Brothers and sisters, support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Do that for the channel, know what I'm saying? Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. I gotta say it again. Alright. Hit the bell button every time I upload new content to the channel. You're gonna be the first one to know. Hit the like button and share this video and the feedback. Put it in the comment box for me. Okay, do that. Watch the whole ad. Don't skip it. Okay, that's important too if you want to support the channel. Alright. Now I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. Okay, you can do it while the truck is running. Step on the brake, press the start button. Truck is running right now. Alright. This truck has 30,000 miles. Alright. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use this control, okay, in the steering wheel. So all we're gonna do is scroll to the right. Oh, and it's right there. It tells you that the oil life is at 10%. But if you don't see it right away when you scroll to the right, you scroll down or up, okay, and you're gonna look for it. It tells you the life of the air filter too, which is good. The tire pressure, there it is. Alright, so all you gotta do to reset the oil life is press this guy, press it like that, and then it's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to reset it? Scroll to the right, press the button again like that, press it, there you go. That's how you reset the oil life in this 2021 Chevy Tahoe. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Support the channel, alright? Show your love. And I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo, Bulun. I'm out there. Yeah.